Hey guys, today I will show you how to edit character in Monster Hunter World. First thing to know, there are two types of character edits. Free edits and full edits. For free edits, go to your living quarters, interact with the item box and select Change Appearance. Here you can edit hair, eyebrow color, facial hair, makeup, and clothing anytime without using a voucher. If you want to change your hunter's face, skin tone, or gender, you need a character edit voucher. There is one free character edit voucher available on the Steam store, and any additional vouchers are paid. This voucher lets you change the appearance of your existing hunter from the Save Data selection screen. But you cannot change your hunter's name, and you also cannot change the name or appearance of your paliko. Important notes: the voucher can only be used on one character and it works one single time. So make sure you are happy with the changes before confirming. And that's how to edit character in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.